person after whom it is named. I happen to have met him in the Bombay Natural History Society meetings, and we connected in those days. He left an impression, and I'm very grateful to have received his memorial award. So thank you so much. Thank you, Dipankar, for an introduction. I don't know if I deserve it. Alfred Saab has been responsible in some ways for me to be standing here, because he was on the committee at the Wildlife Institute of India, the faculty selection committee, which selected me in 1993. So I owe him a lot. Raha Saab, as he said, we had a very nice, pleasant friendship, confrontational one as well. But it was worth having those confrontations, because what came out of it was a methodology which allowed us to assess tiger populations in the Sundarbans. I would also like to mention Mr. Pradeep Vyas, who showed me Sundarbans in those days in 2008. We could not assess the tiger population when we did the first assessment of India in 2006. Of the Sundarbans. And Sundarbans was left out because it was such a hostile and formidable environment, and we had no idea of how to count tigers in the Sundarbans. So Nilanjan Saab has been working with me very closely, and subsequent years we followed a lot of tigers, and we developed a methodology to count tigers in the Sundarbans. So that has been, and we did a joint assessment with Bangladesh and India in 2014. So that was the first joint assessment of tiger population across the entire Sundarbans of Bangladesh and India. And the myth, of course, was that there were many more tigers than we had thought. But the good part of that assessment came about is that we have a baseline with which we can compare the growth of the tigers, the decline of the tigers, and what all happens. Bangladesh and India, I think, took precedence in grabbing the bull by the horns and declaring the new numbers, which is substantially lower than what we had thought Sundarbans would harbor. So that was about tiger assessment. I'm very impressed with what Nature Mates has accomplished in these last 18 years. And Arjun, where is he? Stand right behind me. Compliments to the people who are leading it and the selection committee to have bestowed this honor onto me. It's a growing NGO, a lot to be done.